In exercise 3, we will practice to create a table of content and reference for a document. There are two tasks in this exercise. In task 1, we will practice how to create a table of content look like this one. And for the second task, we will create citation and reference for a document. So in task 1, So for task one, I already prepared for you a document, and your task is to create a table of content look like it. Here is a document that I already attached in your LMS. So you just go to the system and download this uh, document. It's named Chapter 4 Microsoft Word Exercise 3 No Formatting. So once again, take a look at the sample. So we can see here that three levels in this table of content. The first level is chapter 5, the second level is section 5.1, and the third level is the subsection 5.1.1, 5.1.2, etc. So to create a table of content, first of all, we need to select the text block that we want it to appear in the table of content, like this. And then go to the Home tab, go to Style or Group, and select one style. For example, here, because chapter 5 is in level 1, so we can select it heading 1 like this. If we want to modify the format of this style, we right-click on it and select Modify. In here, we can select modify the name, the formatting. So we consider about it, font size, so we can increase a little bit here. So we can also modify the paragraph. I don't want it, I want it here, like spacing, like etc. And then OK. And then we can also go to the View tab, select Navigation pane, and as we can see here in navigation window, the chapter 5, so this text block already available on the navigation. That means we already apply the style successfully. Similarly, we can apply the style for other text block. For example, here, because it is in level 2, so we will apply another style. For example, the heading 2. We can also modify this one, increase the font size, change the format, no numbering. Okay, I don't want it italic, I want it bold, and the paragraph, yeah, I want it to be before and after only 6 and 1 point line. Okay, and we look for the third level here, apply, modify it. You can see the text block, the text block that we already applied the style. It will be appears on the navigation window. And similarly, we look for the text block. Just apply it here. Then we continue the process until the end of the document. Assuming that I already apply all style for all of the text block that I want it to appear on the table of contents. So I will go to the position that I want to create the table of content, and then go to the references tab, select table of contents, select one of the automatic table here. For example, I select the automatic table one. So you can see we already create the table of content here. We can also change the type of the table of content. So the benefits of using the table of content automatically like it is because this table of content can easily update when for example, when you revise the document. For example, here we can see the section 5.2 is page 98. So just click here, and then we can easily move to this section. And for example, I revise it, put some content here, and the section 5.2 move to another page. So uh, as you can see, instead of page 98, it's moved to page 99. So the table of content, using the table of content, we can update the page number automatically. So just right click on the table of content and select update field. We can select, there are two options here. If we revise the page number only, we select the first option. And if we also revise the content, we select the second option. So in this case, in our case, we just revise the page number. So we select the first option, and we can see here section 5.2 already correct to the page number of 99. So in task 2, we will practice to create a citation and a reference for a document. So in this sample, we can see here which the citation I already create. When you right click on the citation and choose edit short, you can see the information of this reference shown in this window. And for this exercise, the reference is applies the IEEE style. So for this task, I also prepare a document for use. Just go back to the chapter 4 Microsoft Word exercise 3, no formatting file. In task 2, I already put here the text. So your task is to create the citation and also the reference. As you can see, the position of each citation already marked here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. So, for example, to create the citation 1, is screen equivalent to the reference 1 site layout optimization with AOC algorithm. So we can create a citation like it. Firstly, you copy the name of the article, go to Google Scholar, and then search for this article. Click to the side, and then we can copy the information here because it don't have the format is double sorry with because it don't have the format of IEEE, so we can copy whatever is available here. For example, the APA. Just copy the title of the article first. Go back to our chapter, the position 1. We go to the reference, select insert citation, add a new source, and type up the source is a journal article. We put the title here, go back to Google Scholar, copy the name of the author, continue with the journal name. Here is as a proceeding for conference. Year, for the volume and issue because we don't have that kind of information, so just ignore it. And then click OK. So you can see this citation is already created. We can click here to double check on it. So similarly, we will create the citation, the reference number 2. Similar, we will apply this process for the reference citation from 3 to the end. Here we have total 11 references. So assuming that I already applied all of the reference that I need, so I go to the position that I want to create the reference, go back to reference tab, and then select the reference. So you can see here we already create this reference. So in my reference list, there is only two reference, two citation because I only applied two of them in here. So in when you practice, you apply all of the 11 citation, so you can create the reference with the list like in the sample. And of course, after create the semi-automatic references, you can delete this text block, and then you can like divide the text into two columns like in our sample. So you going to do it on your own. I don't explain it more here. So that's all for the exercise 3.